Okay, so there's a new Monkey See, Monkey Do update. So let's check it out. Wait, what's this? This is the wrist rockets! Available for the developers. It's the rocket. Wait, is it in the Ruby Mine? Let's go check out the new Fortnite Battle Pass. Okay. Now I'm buying this. 4,000. Alright. Time to go mine. Mine some diamonds. Yay! Oh my god, I got the new rockets! Oh, it's right here. Alright, so how do I work this? Fly, B to shoot. Yo! I can shoot too! I can shoot dogs! Yo, I am unstoppable. Let's go try these in Publix and annoy everybody.
Get down.
You got.
Metro. Hey you, go. Hey you, rockets.
Yeah.
Hey you rockets. Yeah, you. Can you go to the moon?
I'm coming. I didn't even see that. Hold on, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Oh my god! Rocket ship! Oh my god! Why is there a rocket ship? You guys can fly on this. I heard that you can fly.
All the way up to the moon. It's about. I don't want to spend another $7. Do you guys want to launch into the air?
Yo!
Oh, what? Hey guys! Don't pull the rocket! Oh my god! What, buddy?
Wait, there's a button right here. Yeah, I wonder what it does.
Do it!
Oh my Sigma!
Yeah.
I'm going down!
Ciao, io cambio pianeta!
Yo, spin a new space map! New space! New space! Please! I got rockets. I got rockets in this. Whoa! W update. You guys should check it out. But there's one last thing I need to do.
Have you got him as well? Oh.
Could you teach me how to get in the blip? Somebody teach me how to get on that blip. Somebody teach me how to get on the blip. Stop shooting me! Stop shooting me! Yo, how do you do that? How do you do that? Oh my god! What the hell?
Wait, yeah, there is you.
What? Yeah!
Don't go inside it, don't go inside it, don't go inside it, don't go inside it.